Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lindsay and I have a 2-year-old son named Lennix. I make a lot of motherhood and lifestyle content on my channel, so if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button below. I would love to have you part of my channel. So today I am doing something a little bit different that I haven't done in a long time. I am doing a cleaning video, specifically a power hour. So I am going to try and get as much done I can within the hour because I do have a little one. It's just best that I get it all done at once in a short amount of time. Today I have teamed up with a group of amazing ladies who are also doing a power hour. So for this collaboration, I will link all of their videos down below. That way, if you need more power hour motivation, you can check out their channels as well and let them know that I sent you. All right, let's go ahead and get started and let's see how much I can get done within the next hour. As you can see, I got a whole lot done within the hour. I cleaned up the living room, I did the floors, I dusted,
I also made my way into the kitchen and cleaned up all the dishes and unloaded the dishwasher. I was able to clean the bathrooms as I'm doing now, and I ended it all with a load of laundry. I hope this motivates you. If you enjoyed, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and until next time, we'll see you later.